right, well, you may have heard the saying, you know, you need to drink 8 glasses of water every day to stay healthy. Well, don't you worry. We're going to find out if that's true. And if you don't like to guzzle 64 ounces, there are other things you can do to keep your body healthy and hydrated. And we've got clinical nutritionist Sarah Vance here with your new revamped company.
Rebalance Life, that's my new company name.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
I've been hearing, you know, for years about drinking all the water, and some people say it's true, some people say it isn't. I bow down to the nutritional expert. What is the firm answer?
Well, you know, I think using a guide of saying trying to hit about 8 glasses a day is good, but it's really going to depend. A 150-pound person is going to have different hydration needs than someone who's 250 pounds. There's all kinds of factors that go into it. If you work out really hard, your needs are going to go up. If it's a hot, sunny day, your needs are going to go up. So, you know, I think it's good to try and strive to hit, you know, a good amount of 8 glasses a day. But again, like kids probably need less than that. So it depends. But I think people should really shoot for, you know, getting as much in their day as they can.
Well, I know that being dehydrated is absolutely one of the worst. I experienced it, and I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. Let's just talk about some of the signs to notice that maybe you're not getting enough water or enough fruit with water in it.
Right. Yeah, dehydration, you can have 2 different kinds of dehydration. You can have chronic, which is people who just don't really drink enough water all the time. And those can be mild, things like headaches and that kind of thing. But when you go into acute dehydration, that's when it starts to really get serious, where you can even have fever. You can have, you can have lethargy. And when you get to a point where you're really feeling, if you're noticing like confusion and things like that, that's when it's getting really, really serious.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Well, we don't want anyone to have to go through that. And again, these are some of the signs: the dry mouth, the lack of sweat, and again, just kind of can't focus. So, Sarah, you have some wonderful ways to stay hydrated and a little flavor here and there if water we think is just kind of too boring.
You know, so many people just are not into the water thing. And that's one of the great things we've got today is this really fun company called Metro Electro. They just make water fun. And the way that they've done this is they have mint in their water. And so not only does it make your body, you know, kind of soothes your body, gives you a little bit of minty fresh breath, and it also just makes it more interesting. And the mint adds a coolness factor.
Can I try one of these?
You can.
You got. And I love no calories, no fat, no problem.
Exactly. There's, you know, it's so great because each one has sort of like it has a rating for its coolness factor, so it adds that extra coolness.
I like the mint.
Yeah. And the same company has this great product called Metro Electro, which is just electrolytes in water. So instead of getting all those artificial colors and the sugar, you just can have the electrolytes that can rebalance your lost minerals from when you work out really hard in the summer. And this is another really great one I love. It's Nun, or actually Noon, and they have these little tablets, so they're really portable. You can just bring those with you and drop them into the water you already have. And again, it's no artificial colors or flavoring, just the electrolytes.
That is really handy. That is really handy.
My kids love those.
Seaweed. I mean, you might be going, well, why in the heck is that up there? But you're saying that that can help put some minerals back into your body.
Exactly. When we think about dehydration and staying hydrated, we want to think about the more water you lose, the more you're going to also lose things like sodium, potassium with that. And so when you want to rehydrate, you have to replace all those lost minerals. A lot of people don't think about foods for that, and seaweed is actually a really unique food. It's so portable. It's so great. I love these Annie Chuns. They're, you know, come in these great little packets. My daughter loves seaweed. She just snacks on it all the time. And so it has 56 minerals, vitamins, and so it's a really great way to just kind of have that if you're going camping.
It's really good, and I'm peeling one of these open now, girlfriend.
Yeah.
I'm peeling it open. All right, you brought a grapefruit, and you got some tasty drinks over here.
I do. Well, one of the things we like to do instead of sodas in the summer, because sodas have caffeine or, you know, sugar, and sugar really actually makes you more thirsty, so it's not going to really quench your thirst. What we like to do is take this fresh citrus fruit, and you pick whatever citrus fruit you like. My daughter loves grapefruit fizzies. My son loves the orange fizzies. And you just squeeze a little bit of juice out, and then we just take it and we pour it into a glass. And then you can make it as sweet as you want. We just take this clear agave nectar. This is a local company, Nature's Agave. And we just put a little bit of agave nectar to sweeten it. You stir it up, and then you just put a little bit of fizzy water, because this makes it like soda. It makes it more fun. If you don't like the fizzy, you can just put, you know, the plain water. And if you really want to boost your electrolytes, put in the Metro Electro or a little coconut water. And then you've got this wonderful little fizzy drink, and it's got antioxidants. and vitamins, and so it's so much better for you than just like popping open a can of soda.
Having a little seaweed.
Oh, you're having
and
a
washing
seaweed?
it down with a delicious drink. Where can we go to get some more information, Sarah?
Well, one of the things, you can go to rebalancelife.com, which is my website, and then there's another really exciting thing that if people are wanting to enter, you can win an iPod Touch and a Kindle and 7 cases of Metro Mint. And if you just go to metromint.com, you can enter to win that great summer contest.
Thank you, Sarah. All right, Sarah Vance, hydrate yourself. You got a lot of options to do it. Great to see you and have a wonderful summer.
Thank you. You
All right,
too.
thank you. More information, you can always go to our website, sandiego6.com, and click on San Diego Living.